Ready now? Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, so good afternoon, everybody. This is Mr. Driver School Driver Training. We've got lovely Amelia. She's a really good driver. This is our 5th lesson. We've worked on the basic turning left and right, meeting traffic, mini roundabout, crossroad, and today we're doing a big roundabout. So first round we worked together, we help her out. Now she's going to do by herself. And if you got tests coming up or just want to learn to drive, improve your driving, scared about roundabout, the roundabout is not as scary as you think. And if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe for more comments, and you can watch Amelia's driving. Have you got any questions? Yes? Drive when we're ready. Do you think they're far away?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good. Beautiful. Job done. How's it?
Yeah.
Good. Now continue. Okay, so when we get to the roundabout coming up very soon,
Yeah.
Amelia, I would like you to take the 3rd exit to the right hand side, yes?
Okay.
Thank you. Good mirror, good signaling, well done. Beautiful. Nice, I like the way you position yourself to the right side, well done. And nice speed, 15, perfect. Good, good, good. Thank you. So, would you like to count the exit?
1,
Mm-hmm.
2.
Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Good. Nice. How's that feel?
Yeah, good.
Beautiful. So coming in here, nice, beautiful. Okay, so now immediately you have another roundabout. I would like to turn right. Good. Well, good line changing. Well done. Beautiful. Okay. Nice. Well done. Good. Beautiful. So third exit to the right again. I like the way you're slowing down. Well done. Well done. Beautiful. Thank you. So again, would you like to count it?
Yeah, 1,
Thank you.
2.
Nice. Beautiful. Nice. Good. Thank you. How was it, the 2 roundabout third exit?
Yeah, good.
Beautiful. If anybody wants to learn to drive or just improve their driving, or they've got tests coming up, they're doing a big roundabout, if you give them advice, what would you advise them?
Just always use your mirrors.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. Anything else?
Make sure you observe the car's body language to see where they're going in case they don't
I like
indicate.
that. Well done. Good. So don't trust them. Yes.
Yeah.
Body language. Good. Well, anything else?
No, I can't think of any more.
Good. That's the 2 tip. I really liked it. Yes.
Yeah.
If I was learning, I would definitely listen to you. 100%. Yes. You're good driving instructor. I'll
Thank
come
you.
to you. Yes. I recommend all my friends to come to Amelia.
My future career.
Thank you. Okay, so now this mini roundabout coming up, I would like to turn right, please. Yes? Thank you. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice, well done. Good. So now, what sort of sign, what sort of information you can see ahead?
Mini roundabout.
Good, thank you. At the mini roundabout, I would like you to turn right, please. Beautiful, thank you. Thank you. And how's that?
Yeah, good.
Good, well done. You done the right thing, yes? If I was driving, I would do exactly what you did.
Yeah.
Because we didn't have any opportunity to go before.
Yeah, it wasn't safe before.
It was not safe, exactly. It was all about safety, yes? Good. You're a good teacher. Okay, so now, at this main roundabout, turn right again, please. Thank you. Good mirror, good signaling, and good speed as well. Well done. Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you. Just go ahead now. So once you pass all the cars, yes, then I would like you to pull to the left. There's a space there. Can you see that after those cars, you pass them? Then you got a space right in front of everybody, yes?
Yeah.
Just before the bus stop, you got a gap here.
Yeah.
And just pull there. Thank you very much. Beautiful. There you go. Nice, nice. Beautiful. Then secure the Lamborghini. Boom, boom. Thank you. And relax. Leave the engine on.
Okay.
Good. So, how was the
good.
big roundabout?
Yeah, I thought that was my best time.
Nice. Good. You scale yourself at the beginning of the lesson what?
A 4.
And what are you now?
I'd say 6.
Yeah. Good. Really good. Good, good, good. Yeah, really good. Okay, so thank you guys. She's really good at the roundabout. Both big roundabout with no mistake. She's done perfectly. Right. So now we will be doing a different busy roundabout after this. And I hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please follow the long video in the YouTube. This would be for the TikTok version. And have a lovely day.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so now turn off the engine, please.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.